Good afternoon, guys. I want to take you through one of my favorite Montana floor plans. This is a 2022 Montana 3931 FB. It comes in weighing 13,500 pounds, just a little bit over, so it's pretty massive, and it has a tip-to-tip length of 41 feet 4 inches. I'm standing next to the main entrance into the coach. You starting off have this supporting grab handle. And then located just around in this slide out is your freestanding dinette. You can extend out the tabletop if you need a little bit more room, maybe for a family game night or just a little bit of extra food. This does come with 4 chairs. 2 of them you can fold away, which they are actually put away right now. But freestanding chairs, you can honestly take them into the living room if you need more seating space for guests, but love the freestanding dinettes. And then the legs of the table are actually mounted against the wall so your knees are not knocking against it. Power outlet is here to the right so you can charge your electronics or laptop if you want. Also located in this slide out is your theater reclining seats. The middle cushion actually folds up like shown for extra seating, but it also can fold down for cup holders, and this little device slowly rises and reveals a outlet plus 2 USB ports that you can charge your electronics in. Of course, they do recline. They have heating, massage, accent lights, all of that fun stuff. And then just above is additional cabinet storage. In this slide out, it's not carpet. It's like an outdoor rug material, so you can sweep up pet hair really easily. Turning around, you have your sleeper sofa. So extending this out, you can sleep up to 2 people. And I love the fact that you still can access everything here in the kitchen, even when it is in the bed position. So if your kids are wanting to sleep in, you can still make breakfast for them in the morning. And I did want to point out too, the lights in this slide out have a dimmer switch, which is really cool. End tables on both sides, as well as power outlets and USB ports. And then just above are more cabinet storage space. A fan too. I feel like that's something that we kind of pass over a lot. So helps circulate the air, especially if it's pretty hot outside. And then right across from your theater seats is the entertainment center. Same style of flooring there in that slide out too. So it's the outdoor rug material. All electric fireplace down below, and it actually kicks off some heat so you can make it nice and toasty in here. And then just above is your Bluetooth speaker system with a really cool light, ombre light going around it. And then your swivel TV, more storage. And now beginning into this gorgeous kitchen, all solid surface countertops. I love the white. I think it looks really pretty. Power outlets are here in the base of your island, so you can plug in some smaller appliances if you want. Storage down below. Gorgeous hardware too. I think it's really pretty. And then before I forget, 70-30 split stainless steel sink with a spray faucet. And then across from there, you have a motion sensor light leading into your pantry. Textured glass paneling on the front of your pantry door too. More countertop space if you need it. 3-burner stovetop with a glass cover. Huge oven. You probably could fit a turkey in there. More drawers. Residential size stainless steel microwave. Cabinets all around that. And then unscrew this. I'll show you the residential size refrigerator. So that means less grocery trips, which is awesome. Pantry storage space. But it's also a spot where you are prepped for a washer and dryer unit. But if you would rather just use it for pantry storage space or just, the top half for that, you can do that. Soft close doors are everywhere in this camper. And then next to that is a breakfast bar, whatever you want to call it. You can have additional small appliances here, your coffee makers, some fresh bagels, fruit, anything. But you have your storage below, above, and then exiting the living room kitchen space. We have a half bath, not directly across from your main entrance, but if it happens to be an emergency and someone needs to use the restroom, it is not very far. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Gorgeous white cabinets for storage. You have lots of it in here. I love the bowl sink. I think that looks great. More storage below. Towel hook, power. and then cabinet space above. Very tall ceilings too, I might add, with your vent fan all the way up there. Coming up these steps, you have a handrail, a few hooks for some keys or dog leashes, and then your convenience center. So you can run your slides out here. You can turn your interior lights on, see how full all of your tanks are. Love that it's all in one location, and it's behind this cabinet door, so it looks nice and neat. Coming up into the master bedroom, huge king size bed located in a slide out. So you have all of this walking space to get ready in the morning and you're not feeling super cramped. To the left of that, you have some closet storage space, and the clothes rack does not go across like this. It goes, whatever you would call it, horizontally this way, and you have a few of them. Shelving is above your windows, so instead of rolling over and hitting your head, possibly on a nightstand next to your bed, they're located above here in the 2022s. Touch sensored lights, so all you have to do is just touch the lights, and it has 2 different settings, so you can make it brighter if someone wants to sleep while the other person wants to read. It's just great for that, and you can kind of move them however which way that you want. Across from there, you have a dresser, so more spots for your clothes, countertop space, an angled TV that is framed in. So again, it just is nice and neat, looks very finished. More storage. And then this is my favorite part of the entire floor plan, why it's one of my favorites. Barn-style sliding door leading into this amazing front bathroom. We do not have the lights on, but it just shows you how nice and bright this whole bathroom is. Porcelain foot flush toilet next to your entrance. You have a lot of leg space too. Huge residential size shower that does have a seat. Black matte finish for your faucet. Skylight is also there above your shower, and then of course your vent fan. More storage and more closet storage space. This camper is loaded with storage. 2 more sink bowls, so this is a double vanity. More space down below. Power outlets, medicine cabinets. Just behind me, you have a little seat. You can just sit there to get away from your kids if you want, but the fact that you have it is just pretty nice. All the way at the front, you have a more closet storage space. Another clothes rack, built-in little cubbies for your shoes. This thing is just loaded. So that covers everything on the inside. I'm going to give you guys a quick outside tour. So here on the outside, you have your Road Armor pin box with the patented hitch vision just above. So this can be great for lining up your tow vehicle with your pin box. Below that is a spot for your battery plus some additional storage. Love the design on the outside too. I think it looks great. Fiberglass. Dual propane tanks, one on this side, one on the other, and a massive amount of pass-through storage. It actually has a built-in road vac system, so you'll get a hose that you're able to connect to this road vac, and it's pretty much a vacuum built into your camper. So if you spill something in your pass-through storage, get sand in here, mud, anything like that, or you need to sweep out your tow vehicle, you can just use the road vac system. Satellite and cable hookup plus power, so if you wanted to put a TV out here, you can. And then you also have power here on the outside. You do have a slide out on your camping side, but that just means you have dual awnings. So pretty much 100% almost outdoor shaded living space. 4 Seasons coach as well, and since this is a 2022, you have the solar panel on it. Solid steps, oversized grab handle, frameless windows, which just looks great. A rear ladder to just check up on your roof and slide out maintenance. Pre-wired for a backup camera if you want one. 2 more slide outs on your non-camping side. Outside shower, and this also does have auto leveling, which you can control right here. So there you have it, the Montana 3931 FB. If you have any questions or concerns about it, feel free to let us know.